Hi, everyone, and welcome to Module 8. Congratulations for making it to the end. You should be so proud of yourself for all that you've accomplished, and I'm looking forward to this last section with you where I get to read through your final reflections on the class. So let's just do a quick walkthrough of Module 8. Go ahead and click on the Modules button and scroll down until you get to Module 8. And you'll check out that overview to begin. And so in the overview section, you will see that this final part of the class is to create a final reflection so that you can reflect on the growth and progress that you have made as a writer in this course. Go ahead and click on the next button, and that will take you to our final Top Hat materials. At this time, you should go through and check to make sure you have completed all of the Top Hat assignments for every module in the course to make sure that you can get the most amount of points that are available and really push yourself up towards getting an A in the class if that is your goal. So after doing the Top Hat materials, you'll click that next button, and that's going to take you to the reflection and metacognition section. You can go back and review my video that I posted on metacognition quite early on in the class if you want a little bit refresher. But this reflection kind of goes beyond the class and gives some practical guidance on how to make reflection 2 more meaningful and to show you how this reflection can help you travel into the next part of your academic career and professional career. And you can reflect on the skills that you'll be using later in your job projects or internships or even just your personal goals. So why does reflection matter outside of this class? Reflection isn't just a course component, it's a portable skill. It's something that you're going to take with you and that you can learn no matter what kind of career you're in right now or what you might be transitioning to. You learn faster from your experience if you reflect on that experience. You make smarter decisions about your future projects, and you can transfer these skills and build self-awareness in problem solving. So if you scroll down, you'll see there's a revisiting of the 8 habits of mind that you've been working on all term, and you can think about these as you compose your reflection. So next you will click on the next button, and this will take you to our Module 8 reflection. And you'll set aside about 3 to 4 hours to compose this reflection. And so in this reflection, the goal is really to discover and reconsider ideas that you've learned throughout the course and how to transfer those skills. So before you begin, there are a couple of different things that you can click on here: the course learning objectives, the habits of mind. You can review all of your assignments in the course and any feedback or things that you received in the discussion area. Keep scrolling down and you'll see how to complete this assignment. Step 1 is your reflection and brainstorm. And so begin considering these questions. What moments stand out to you? When did you surprise yourself? How has your relationship with writing changed? And then you'll go into the looking back and looking forward section. This is quite similar to what we did at the beginning, but now you'll have some different things to reflect on. And you can look at your first reflection and see what goals you set for yourself in this course and whether or not you achieved those goals. So step 2 is the compose and design portion. So now tell the story of your semester as a writer in this course. And you can make this creative. You can use multimodal components to create a lovely design background or fonts, colors. So you can really use all of the experience you gained in this class to compose this reflection. You're going to be supporting your points with examples and evidence from your own life. So again, you're going to be including visual examples, and this time you'll need 3 to 6 visuals or multimedia elements. And there are some possible examples below. And then step 4, you'll revise and proofread before you turn in and submit this final reflection to Canvas. You'll notice that this reflection is 1,000 to 1,200 words, about 500 for the looking back and 500 words for the looking forward. Include 3 to 6 visual examples, and then you will submit it by clicking on Start Assignment and uploading your file. So go ahead and scroll down and you will see the reflection rubric. So you can use this as a checklist to make sure you've included everything in the reflection before you submit it. And then go ahead and click the next button, and this will bring you to the Module 8 Experience Feedback section, where you can comment anonymously on the Module 8 course section and what you enjoyed about it and what you think might need improvements. And so that pretty much wraps up the class. If you do click on the next button, you'll see that you can complete a course evaluation, and that will help us to improve our instruction, evaluate instructional quality, ensure high standards of teaching, and inform future course enhancements. So we'll be collecting all of this data, including the different surveys you filled out, in order to make sure that this is a top-notch design class and experience for everyone going forward. I've enjoyed having all of you in class. It's been a pleasure to work with you and read through your work, and I wish you good luck in your future endeavors.